So it's like 9. It's almost 9. It's like a couple seconds from 9. But before I wanted to start this video with, I know I put it in a community post. I didn't feel like I needed to do a video on the lyric poster or the audio snippets. Oh yeah, the track list. I definitely I saw it all. Like, yeah, the list be looking nice. Shit, the X-File videos just dropped. That's how I know it's 9. Then all these lyric posters definitely attacked me. People were getting big baby butthurt about the phrasing and the English and stuff, which is just stupid. And then the audio snippet I didn't watch or listen to because I'm trying to go into this as blind as possible. But obviously that's not going to happen because I believe today the X-File video is going to be like the My Bag video because I have some friends that listen to this. Also, my Jazzy thing apparently is going to be in nude, which is, oh yeah boy. And then I also heard that change and yeah, no, I heard that there's a couple banging sounding tracks and I'm just like, ooh, I'm excited. How they did the audio snippets before, they showed a tease of all of them except for My Bag, which they put in a separate video. After I heard that X-File was not in the audio snippet, it kind of clicked with me. I'm like, what is the X-File video gonna be? And then after hearing that it wasn't in the snippet, I'm like, oh, they're probably doing what My Bag was, which is putting its own little shot music video-y snippet, which scares me even more because y'all know how much of a banger My Bag is. Oh I'm gonna stop talking. Let's watch this X-File video. Oh my god. I forgot Twitter refreshes by itself. I'm gonna just go right to YouTube. Hold on. I don't know what to expect. I'm nervous. Look at them! Why are my eyes getting watery? Hey yo, wait a minute.
Kill the truth. Me and you. 그뭐어도 끝낼 수 없어. 왼쪽조차 넘기면 안 될 사이.
Yo! I'm fucking crying of happiness. Let's get it, baby. This fucking beat too.
Yeah, I'm crazy for you.
Oh, the whisper.
Don't you know it's a show anyway?
Oh my god, jeez.
그런 생각을 해 그냥 좀 나쁘면 안 될까? 사람은 착하면 아픈데 차라리 나쁘면 안 될까? 근데 넌 나쁜 건 싫은 거잖아. 맞아 읽는 게 쉽지 않지 난 읽는 게 더 어려워.
The rap? Oh, fuck me. I gotta hear the rest of that. Oh shit. We're running it back. Y'all see? I was tearing up of happiness and how good that shit sounded. I'm turning it up all the way.
Kill the truth. Me and you. 그뭐어도 끝낼 수 없어. 왼쪽조차 넘기면 안 될 사이. 어깨하는 the X-File. 그게 넌 어디는지 알잖아. 더러운 세상 유일한 lie.
Bro, the way they sound on this.
Yeah, I'm crazy.
And then the way Soyeon comes in.
Kiss me. Don't you know it's a show anyway? Yeah. 가끔 그런 생각을 해. 그냥 좀 나쁘면 안 될까? 사람은 착하면 아픈데 차라리 나쁘면 안 될까? 근데 넌 나쁜 건 싫은 거잖아. 맞아, 읽는 게 쉽지 않지. 난 읽는 게 더 어려운데.
Holy man, the 17th cannot get here quick enough. Yo, I think this might be one of their greatest albums. This audio snippet has made me think about life. I need this goddamn album. Thank y'all for watching. It's good to be back. I've been busy. I'm still a little busy, but we are in the final week stretch until this drops. Oh my god, I'm so excited.